Hello everyone, I am Shubham. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell the new offer of Google Pay which is offered recently by Google Pay app and earn up to rupees 3000. So in this video we will see now how to earn up to rupees 3000 from offer of Google Pay by collecting the 4 stamps. Let's see. As Google Pay is offering many offers in festive seasons of collecting stamps, in same way it has given a new offer of collecting 4 stamps till 13 September 2020 even now. So let's see how to collect it. So firstly, if you don't have Google Pay app, I have shared my invite link in description. Please install it from there and open your Google Pay account by adding your bank details and so on. So let's see. I have it already, so I will open it. Go to Google Pay. Unlock here. So scroll it down now. There is promotions here. In this you can see offers. Click on offers. There are so many offers of paying the bills. Earn up to rupees 1000 on bill payments. So like this you can see offers here. Earn up to rupees 500. There are many offers. So go back. Now we will see where we will get the new offer of collecting the 4 stamps and earn up to rupees 3000. Click on rewards. So I will show. Last time I have earned rupees 101 by collecting stamps. So here it is, earned for collecting all 3 stay at home stamps, and one more I have earned in Diwali. This is earned for collecting all the 5 stamps. Earned for collecting all the 5 stamps, I have earned rupees 251. So this time to view the offer, click here. Collect 4 stamps and get up to rupees 3000. Click on it. There are 4 stamps: Ludo King stamp, Carrom Pool stamp, Call of Duty stamp, Free Fire stamp. If you collect all these 4 stamps, you will earn up to rupees 3000 rupees. So how to collect it? Spend at least rupees 100 on bill payments, like click on pay here. So you can pay from here at least bill of rupees 100, TV bill, electricity bill, postpaid mobile, broadband or landline, and many more. You can pay anyone from it, then you will earn a stamp. You will earn here 1 stamp if you pay anyone from it. Next, again mobile recharges. Click on it to see. You can do recharge of any of the SIM of at least rupees 100 and earn 1 more stamp here. Last one is Play Store recharge codes. We will view it. So here you can link your account. In this you can go to Play Store from here, and if you purchase apps, games, digital contents of at least rupees 100 from Play Store, then you will earn 1 more stamp. You can do it from here. So in this way, if you do more and more payments, recharges, then at some time you will earn all the 4 stamps. I have done it before and I have earned the bonus. So below they have given how it works, like collect all 4 stamps by 13 September 2020 to get an assured rupees 30 to rupees 3000 from Google Pay. Then stamps are given out randomly. You could get any one of the stamps through the different collection methods. Next, you can get maximum of one stamp per transaction. If you do one transaction, you will get one stamp. You can collect as many stamps as you want. The more you pay, the more stamps you collect. Your earned reward will appear in the reward channel. You can earn a maximum of one scratch card. Payments on insurance premiums are not eligible. They have given this, that the payments on insurance premiums are not eligible. And below they have given terms and conditions, like this offer is not available to residents of state of Tamil Nadu. So if a person from Tamil Nadu, then they can't avail this offer. So in this way, you can try with this and you will earn up to rupees 3000. I have earned it already before, like in Diwali, and this is one for collecting 3 stamps at home. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you guys in next video.